we are group number 1, and our application is customizable fitness application. I'm Lokesh presenting. So this is what we've done so far. We have implemented Docker, we added Redis, we've done unit testing, CI, continuous integration, continuous deployment by using Amazon. Then we've deployed the application, the backend, front-end application in AWS Cloud. Then also with help of Redis as a cache, we're sending and verifying OTP. Now my friend Happy will continue Dockerizing.
I'm Happy Kumar. I'm just presenting my screen for showing Dockerization. So here's my screen. Like when we can see that first we have written Docker file in backend, a Docker file in frontend, and Docker compose.yml file in a root folder. So if I show like I created the images, how like I've run the command, I will Docker images. Here you can see that all the images of our like for client server MySQL and Nginx server all and minus MySQL, all this server has came like Docker images have came. Now if I see run Docker compose up, it will take some time. Okay, and now go to my Chrome and just run localhost 3000 slash home. So it's loading here. Okay, we can see the image of front end is already visible here. Now I will show you the testing part. So for testing part, here I will do first. It's stopping this thing and like CLS. Just I do CLS and then if I show my testing part, so here is the testing file I have. We are using Mocha and Chai for testing, and so if I run npm uh, run test. Sorry, if I go to backend, we have to go to backend folder, the backend, and then I will run npm run test. So Mocha is started running. You can see here. It's taking some time. Okay, all the 4 tests have been passed. So my friend will explain about like all the next parts.
Yes, thank you. Now we'll see an example of continuous integration and continuous development using Amazon AWS. So we've used code deploy for continuous integration and continuous deployment in AWS. So let me show you that. So now if you go to an instance which is automatically running here, if you go to something called code pipeline, so whenever you make a git commit, whenever you change something here, it'll automatically trigger. So let me just add some more line here. Let's say let me go to some dummy file and let's add some stuff here. Now I will run git add commit. I'll push. So when I push, it will automatically trigger a workflow, so which will automatically update and rerun the entire server. So we can see here, if you look at it now, there will be a new pipeline which is created. As you can see, this pipeline was created and this, as you can see, it succeeded also, but this was the last one, so this is still in progress. Let's see. It should take some time. Yeah, it succeeded. And this also succeeded, as you can see, all this succeeded. Okay, so we have deployed our application as well, so let me show you that. Okay, now you can see the front-end application which was there, so you can go to sign up, you can go to login, you can go to blogs and everything. So now let me show you the backend as well. The backend code was here, so this is the backend code. Here you have tests, and main is this file, as appspec, which basically does the CI/CD, and we also have Redis installed in the server itself, in that, so it will automatically install it, automatically run Redis. We can kind of test it using Postman. So if you run this, it will actually successfully store that OTP in the Redis cache, and it will run that Redis as well. So now you can use Postman to basically try to sign up and log in. So to show you the Redis cache. So now if I sign up, so you have to sign up by using the legitimate email. You can see it is sending the request, and the user was created successfully. So now if I try to sign up, if I try to log in, it will basically send me an OTP. It will take some time because it's running there. Yeah, so now it has seen OTP sent to your mail. This is the token that is kind of for our own reference, for the client reference. So now you have user ID. So now let me quickly show you how it works. Okay, so now we've entered the OTP. It has got the OTP. So if I enter the OTP here, it will say successfully logged in. So if I enter a different OTP, let's say, which is not the one we got, then it will say OTP is not correct, please try again. Server, because we're running in AWS. I take a little time. Okay, so take time.